Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Tuesday, April the 2nd, 2019. Well, let's go ahead and take a quick look and see how these markets ended up today. First of all, take note that we had a very low volume day here. The Qs were only at 0.74%. You can see it on the volume bars down here, just a very, very low volume day. But the nice thing is we continued our trek upwards. You can see there's where we closed yesterday. We closed right near the top of the candle. So very, very nice day for the Qs. Moving on to the spiders, let's take a look and see how they did today. And we see here, we kind of have a spinning top candle here, but, closed right near the top, so that looks good. Very low range day, not a lot of volatility at all, just a very mild pullback, and then back up to near highs. You can see the volume bar here showing the low volume again, and relative volume 0.66. Now let's go ahead and look at the diamonds and see how they closed the day out. And Walgreens had some troubles with their earnings report, and so they were dragging the Dow down. And so I don't know if that's what the major cause was, but you can see here we've got the inside bar formation. It was a very quiet day. You can see that volume bar way down here, just 0.67 relative volume, and pulled down. And pretty much, stayed in that, about mid-range of the candle there, but, not, just a day of rest after that big increase yesterday. And with that, let's go ahead and jump on to Holly and see how she did today. Holly Grail had 14 trades and lost 9 cents. On the risk on mode, she lost 40 cents. See if there was a good trade in there. We had a short trade that she made 16 cents on, selling strength, DNLI. And she made 16 cents in the risk off mode. Had you held it till the end of the day, though, you would have lost 32 cents as it ended up taking off after that. And her best trade in the risk on mode was another short RDY. And you can see she got out for a timed exit of 8 cents, and then it made 16 cents had you held it till the end of the day. Moving on to Holly 2.0, we had 19 trades there for a loss of 27 cents, risk on loss of 58 cents. So these two segments did not do well at all. Her best trade was a short MOS, and you can see the daily here had come up and reached the resistance, pulling back, and got out for 25 cents on a timed exit. Had you stayed in till the end of the day, you would have made 42 cents. And let's see, and that was the best in both categories. Let's go ahead and move our charts up here a little bit so we can see how Holly Neo made out for the day. And Holly Neo had 20 trades, so she was a lot more active. Look at that, $1.55 profit, and risk on profit just 30 cents. But her best trade in risk off was CVNA. It was straight out of Compland, and you can see she got in it, made her 75 cents, actually got out for a profit save, and then it took off again after a little pullback, made $1.29. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the best, and that is the best in both categories. So that is your Holly trades for today. Let's take a look at our Excel spreadsheet and see how that's doing today. And we see we had a total of 53 trades, profit of $1.19, risk on loss of 68 cents. For the week, still in the red at 80 trades, we have 57 cents loss. $3.11 is the risk on loss. And I want to thank you for joining us today, and I want to thank you for hopefully subscribing to our YouTube channel and checking out our free stuff. God bless.